Hi, I'm Max, inventor of the Triple Bristle toothbrush, and today I'm here to talk to you about flossing. A lot of toothbrush manufacturers will say that their toothbrushes floss for you, but that's just not true. As a dentist, I found that you do need a way to clean between your teeth, whether it's flossing or using a soft silicone pick or water flossing, something to get between your teeth. So let's talk about flossing, because flossing is one of the most effective and easiest way to do it. You just grab a long string of floss, foot and a half, 2 feet. You kind of wrap it together. You have your thumbs on here. And then what you want to know is you don't want to snap your floss into your gums. You can actually cause trauma through flossing and have some recession. So what you want to do is just be gentle. Definitely don't not floss because of that, but be gentle. So you enter very gently, and then you wrap it around in a C, and you go up and down. And then you do the same thing with the other tooth. So you enter, you can see that I went in, I hugged the tooth, and I rubbed up and down one side, rubbed up and down the other side. I'll show you again on the bottom tooth. Just going in and out is just not good enough. So if you see somebody going like this, that's not flossing. You're gonna miss most of the plaque. The plaque lives below the gum line, right in this little papilla area. And it looks like it hurts, but it doesn't hurt. So you go in, and you can see I rubbed one side of the tooth and then the other side of the tooth. And that's ultra critical. You want to remove the plaque living between the gums. And it's actually slightly below the gums. So there's actually a little piece of gum called free gingiva, where it's not quite connected to the tooth, but it still hugs the tooth. And that's the area you want to stimulate. Now, one thing to note, if you've never flossed before and then you all of a sudden start, your gums will bleed like crazy. And that doesn't mean you should stop flossing. That just means you should actually keep going. Because after a while, you keep flossing and flossing, the inflammation actually goes down. And all of a sudden, your gums firm up, they're pink, they're perfect, gingivitis is gone, you decrease your chances of periodontal disease. So if you have any way to do it, definitely floss. Now, you don't have to use this kind of floss. There's a lot of different options. There's flossers, which are small disposable flossing devices. There's long handle flossers for people who have a hard time, doing the manual dexterity thing. There are water flossers. Water flossers are great because you can actually put rinses into the water flosser and floss with like a special medical rinse. And finally, there's soft silicone picks. You just kind of insert them in and out, and they do a great job as well. It's not really about what you do. It's about finding something that works well for you and doing it over and over again, building that habit. It takes about 3 weeks to build that habit. But if you can floss or clean interdentally in the morning or at night, preferably at night, then your gums will really thank you. The reason we want to clean more at night than in the morning is because at night, after we go to bed, the salivary flow actually decreases. So the saliva that protects our teeth decreases chances of getting dental caries or cavities or gum disease. It goes down. We have more of a dry mouth. And in that condition, dental disease can kind of spiral out of control. So you always want to go to bed with a very clean mouth. And that's about it. If you can start this habit, it's going to really serve you for the rest of your life. You'll start getting compliments from your dentist and hygienist, and life will be even better. Until next time, keep smiling.